employees with set cash should start receiving their funds by April 30. Persons who applied for support under the COVID-19 Compassionate Grant and the supporting employees with transfer of cash set cash should start receiving their funds by April 30. The update was provided by Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clarke, in an address to the nation on Friday, April 24. Both grants are components under the government's COVID-19 Allocation of Resources for Employees CARE program. The aim is to provide temporary cash support to individuals and businesses to cushion the economic impact of COVID-19. Applications opened on April 9.
The government has started verification activities designed to have eligible citizens start receiving compassionate and set cash grants by April 30. These activities include establishing eligibility and verification of bank details of applicants. These are taxpayer funds and can only be paid to applicants who qualify.
Minister Clarke says approximately 500,000 applications have been received, making the CARE program the largest and broadest social intervention program in Jamaica's history.
Whereas our focus for payments by April 30 is on compassionate and set cash grants, which account for over 90% of applications, we will follow up quickly with the processing of applications for general grants, small business grants and best cash grants shortly after, beginning in early May.
An applicant will not be eligible for the compassionate grant if his or her tax registration number TRN appears on current payroll returns submitted to Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ. This component of the CARE program is for persons who are unemployed or informally employed. Meanwhile, Dr. Clarke is reminding set cash applicants to have their former employers upload a P45 form to the TAJ's website, which is part of the verification process. Persons who choose to collect their grants at remittance outlets are required to present a government-issued ID.
We are committed to ensuring that all eligible applicants receive grants in a timely manner and ask for your cooperation. We care, and help is on the way.